Hi guys, welcome back to another video. For today's video, things are gonna be a little different because I am starting to shift my content a little bit more towards, of course, I'm still gonna keep it curly, but I'm also starting to add in some more beauty and some lifestyle things. So today's video is gonna be all my empties and which of these products I would repurchase and why I like them, and then the ones that I wouldn't repurchase. So I have a few. I actually went around my house and I was just going through all the empty things that I had, and I figured this is a good idea for a video. So I decided to stop and film this video for you guys. So if you guys are interested in seeing my empties, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, turn on the alerts so you know when I post my next video, and I will go ahead and drop my social handles so you guys could follow me on there as well, and keep on watching. Okay, so I actually decided to film in another part of my house, and I absolutely love the way this looks. So I'm actually in my sunroom. So I live in Connecticut. I think I told you guys this, but if I haven't and you're new to my channel, I live in Connecticut, so I pretty much live in the woods. I personally never realized how much I took nature for granted till quarantine, and just having this scenery and just having all the forestry and having all this nature around me, it made quarantining so much easier, more relaxing, and just overall so much better. Okay, so without further ado, before I make this video super duper long, I'm gonna start with my first product. Okay, so the first product, you guys are probably going to expect what it is because I talk about it so much. It is an empty container of my Wetland Extreme Gel. So I talk about this all the time. I am absolutely in love with this gel. So yes, I would 1000% repurchase this product because, like, come on, this is like literally my best friend. I don't know what I would do if I didn't have this gel in my life because it is everything to me. So yes, I would 1000% repurchase this. You guys know I probably use this in 80% of my wash and goes. It is just one of those gels that just gives me the guaranteed hold that I need, definition, and it makes my wash and goes last so much longer. So of course, I'm definitely a fan of this one. So yes, I would repurchase this. And the next product is actually not a hair product. This is the Raw Sugar Simply Body Wash. It's the green tea, cucumber, and aloe vera. So I know I'm not the only one who just roams through Target and just buys things they absolutely don't need. So I love self-care. I love body scrubs, I love body lotions, creams, butters, all of that, and especially body washes. So I was walking through the aisles and I actually was going through the app and I was looking for more clean products because I'm always looking to find a cleaner alternative to something I already use. So I came across the Raw Sugar collection and I was like, wait, just Raw Sugar alone, I love the name. I'm just like, this looks like it smells good. So I decided to pick it up. It did have a smaller size, but I decided go big or go home, you know? But if I hated it, I would have been super mad that I ended up buying the bigger size. But this one, I wanna say was about $16. I'll confirm the price up above, but I believe it was $16. The formula is plant-based and it has organic ingredients. This product is cruelty-free and vegan, and it also contains no phthalates, parabens, silicones. None of those harsh ingredients are included in this body wash. Believe it or not, a lot of our favorite body washes, I'm not gonna name any names because I know you guys know what I'm talking about. A lot of those actually include very, very harmful ingredients for our skin, which is super unfortunate, but again, I tried this and I absolutely loved it. The scent is very, let me just smell it and see, hold on. So the scent is like a very refreshing, bamboo-y. I know bamboo is not a good idea. It's not a good name for a scent. It's like just very relaxing. I just love the smell. I love cucumber anything, cucumber drinks, cucumber anything, face anything. So yes, I would wholeheartedly go ahead and purchase this again. I'm actually gonna put this in my shopping list to go pick this up next time I go to Target. So 10 out of 10, definitely recommend. Super soft on the skin. It just smells amazing and I love it. So I'm gonna consider this in my empties. It's not empty yet, but by the end of this video, it probably will be. This is the Starbucks Pumpkin Cold Brew. No, it's pretty much empty. Love it. If you guys are looking for a good seasonal drink, if you're not a pumpkin spice girl, don't knock this one because I don't like pumpkin spice either. I'm not like someone who's like, oh my God, it's pumpkin spice season. Like, nah, I don't like pumpkin spice like that. I said what I said. This in particular gives you the right amount of pumpkin without being too pumpkin-y. You know what I mean? So I absolutely love this. I only have it from time to time because again, it's not the most healthy drink, but it's not too bad. So I typically pick it up every once in a blue moon, but it makes me feel fall-y, and since I've been having such summertime sadness, this has been just getting me in the fall vibes and I love it. So if you guys are looking for a seasonal drink that's not too pumpkin-y but still pumpkin enough, then definitely try this, but I would get a tall first before you pick up a grande because you just never know. Well, since my last two products were not curly hair products, I'm gonna keep it going. So the next product I'm gonna talk about is the Native Deodorant. This is in the cucumber and mint scent. Let's see if you guys can see that. So I'm always on a hunt to find the right deodorant. So I'm very picky. Fun fact about me, I am very picky about my deodorants. I know, whatever. I don't like a deodorant that smells too strong, but I also need a deodorant that is strong because I'm also doing my best to lean more towards the cleaner route when it comes to deodorants and just body care in general. And this bad boy is actually free of aluminum, parabens, phthalates, and all nasty ingredients that you guys typically find in your deodorants. So, I mean, I'm here for it. So far, I've tried this twice and I've loved it. I've already repurchased this. So I need to actually grab another one because this one's completely empty. So I'm actually gonna add this to my shopping list as well. If you are looking for a cleaner alternative when it comes to your deodorant, this is a great option to try. This deodorant is a little bit more on the pricier side. It is $11.99 because I remember that's the one thing that stood out to me was the price. And you are getting what you pay for. You are paying for a cleaner product because you don't want to keep putting all these harmful ingredients on your body. So if this is something that you're passionate about and you want to make a change as far as your deodorants, then I definitely recommend this one. And it smells really good. You guys know I'm big on scents, and this one just smells really fresh. It smells very fresh, but it also has like a musky undertone. I love it. I just absolutely love it. So I need to repurchase this. So yes, this is another product that I would highly recommend. Okay, so we're going back to hair care. I'm so sad that this ran out, but I do have a brand new one, so it's okay. So my next product, you guys have heard me speak about this shampoo so many times that it's about time that it freaking ran out on me already. This is the Bounce Curl Pomegranate and Pumpkin Enzyme Clarifying Gentle Shampoo. I might have said that backwards, but you guys know what I mean. This shampoo, guys, I just have no words for it. I love this shampoo. I talk about it all the time, especially in my last like 4 videos. I've been speaking so highly about this shampoo. And why I like it so much is because it's just very gentle on my hair. And when a shampoo gives me the luxury of being able to kind of finger detangle my hair while it's in my hair, that speaks volumes because guys, I got a lot of freaking hair. Like, sometimes this gets so unruly that I need a shampoo that gives me that much moisture to allow me to do that because, you know, and I'll be honest, my hair doesn't tangle up that much, but sometimes it gets so out of control and it's so dry that like, I don't even know what to do with it. I'm just like, I need to get braids. I need to do something. I just can't right now. So this shampoo has kept my hair on fleek and has kept my curls super moisturized. I will go ahead and tag the videos that I've used this so you guys can see what it looks like in lifetime. Love this shampoo, and yes, I 1000% would repurchase this. I actually haven't purchased it yet because Bounce Curl is always nice enough to send these over to me. Thank you so much, Bounce Curl. But yes, so if and when they stop sending them to me, I will 1000% repurchase this product, or purchase it to begin with. Okay, so the next product, you guys have heard me talk about this in the past. It's the Olaplex number 3. Honestly, I actually run through these way too often. I mean, look at the size. But believe it or not, I can personally get 2 to 3 uses per Olaplex. So if you see like this little size, I get about 2 to 3 uses out of it. I'm just naturally very heavy-handed when it comes to Olaplex, so yeah. So for those who don't know what Olaplex is, Olaplex number 3 helps repair broken hair bonds. So you're probably like, how do bonds break in your hair? So manipulating your hair, whether that be you over styling your hair, over processing your hair, over chemically processing your hair, just anything that causes any type of manipulation to your hair can cause bonds to break. So what Olaplex does is that it helps repair those broken bonds. And let's say you're somebody who straightens your hair a lot, you're someone who adds color to your hair a lot. Olaplex keeps your hair strong. So I don't do any of that, but I do feel like it helps keep my hair strong in general. But I do tend to manipulate my hair from time to time, of course, like when it comes to doing different hairstyles. Sometimes I do braids. So I do like to add it to my routine because it helps strengthen my hair. And I do Olaplex, I wanna say like 1 to 2 times a month. I'm not as consistent as I was in the past because again, my hair is a lot more healthy now, so I don't need to be using Olaplex all the time. But if you are a curly that tends to dye your hair, if you have like blonde curls, if you have highlights, highly recommend Olaplex number 3. It does keep your hair super strong. All of my curl friends and anyone that I know that actually dyes their hair, they are completely loyal to Olaplex number 3. So give it a shot if you've thought about it. Yes, I will 1000% repurchase this. I absolutely love Olaplex number 3. You guys know I talk about it a lot on my channel. So go ahead if you guys haven't seen. I have a video talking about Olaplex number 3 and the leave-in and the oil. So go check that out if you're interested in learning more about it. Okay, so my next empty is by Glow Recipe. It's their Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. You guys are always asking me for a skincare routine, and I tend to fluctuate a lot when it comes to products. I absolutely love this moisturizer. It's a very lightweight jelly consistency, kinda. Actually, there's a little bit left. Oop, there it is. There's not much left out of it, but you guys can kind of see. So it's a kind of empty. It's like sorta empties. So it's an empties and sorta empties video. So this is almost empty. If you look at the moisturizer, it just kind of looks like a serum. And it's a very clean product as well, and it works so amazing on the skin. If you are acne prone, I'm naturally very acne prone, and I've used a ton of Glow Recipe products and I have not broken out. So it's very sensitive to the skin, but yet it works really well. So I really love that moisturizer for that reason alone. I have tested it multiple times and it works really well with my skin. This is my 3rd bottle. I want to say it's about my 3rd bottle of this moisturizer. I always continuously pick it up, but again, I don't use it every day, so it lasts me longer than usual because I like to alternate between my moisturizers. Also, depending on how my skin is feeling that day, sometimes I need more of a creamier moisturizer versus a lightweight. I feel like this is lightweight, but still very intense. So yeah, this is another one of my kind of empty, it's almost empty, my sorta empties that I would 1000% repurchase. And my last empty, again, it's not a hair product, it's more of a home product. So it's the Sweater Weather candle by Bath & Body. So again, this is sorta empty, but when I light it, it turns off on its own when it's on for too long because there's not really much left. You guys can see. So I actually just repurchased 3 of these, but I bought the 3 wicks. So my story with candles is I like to buy them small and feel the vibe out and how it feels in my room. And then I go out and go crazy buying the bigger size because I am so candle crazy. So this one, you guys, I've been having such a hard time accepting that fall is coming. And fall is here actually. And I still haven't like accepted that it's here. So I'm doing little things to like give me fall vibes, like of course having pumpkin coffee and trying to add some orange to my room and getting some fall candles. So I actually went to Bath & Body, I wanna say like 2 weeks ago. So I've only had this candle for like 2 weeks. And I was like, you know what? Let me pick up some fall scents and see. And of course, this one really attracted me because I'm just all about the cozy vibes. So Sweater Weather to me was just like, all right, let's do it. When I'm telling you guys, this smells so amazing. I'm just like, I love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it. This candle has more of a musky scent. So if you're into a musky candle, this is definitely the vibe. It says it contains fresh sage, juniper berry, eucalyptus, and fresh woods. I mean, I guess I could, I don't know if I smell all of that stuff, but it definitely smells really good. And I'm absolutely obsessed with this candle. I went and bought 3 more. So Bath & Body was actually doing a $10 off the 3-wick candle, so I went ahead and bought 3 because I don't know how to act. So if you guys are looking for a new fall candle to try, definitely try Sweater Weather. And if you do, tag me in the photos that you use it in because I'm obsessed with it. All right guys, so that concludes my empties, sorta empties video. I hope you guys liked it. I did notice that none of the products that I mentioned are products that I wouldn't repurchase, which I guess I might do one because I do have some sorta empties or some semi-open products that I definitely would not repurchase. Maybe I'll do a video on that and share with you guys some of those products that I wouldn't repurchase. But as far as the ones that I mentioned today, each and every one of those products I would 1000% repurchase, and I have to repurchase. So I'm gonna go ahead and add that to my shopping list because it's adding up. Yeah guys, that is all for today's video. Comment down below if there are any products that you guys recommend for me that have anything to do with what I mentioned in today's video, or if you have any fall scented candles that you guys recommend, let me know, because I'm always looking for fall vibe candles, just not sweet candles. I like musky scented candles, kind of just like, kind of smells like cologne, but not really, you know, just like a very, I don't know, just like musky, but not like too musky. Does that make sense? Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.